Welcome back, folks. It's day 2 of 5 for the 5 for 5 special leading to Cinco de Mayo. I'm Gabriel Morales from Liquid Memoir, and if you didn't know already, I'm making 5 different cocktail videos showcasing the agave spirit, from margarita variations to other agave drinks that you probably never heard of before. If you haven't checked out the first video, I'll leave a link above. Now today we're making 2 cocktails using grapefruit juice, the Siesta and Dovetail. Let's get behind the stick. So the Dovetail is actually a Hemingway Daiquiri Variation with tequila. I actually haven't had this one before, so I hope it's good. I mean, I really do like Hemingway Daiquiris and Daiquiri Variations, so I have really high hopes for this one. The Siesta, on the other hand, I've had it a few times. It's a bitter tequila bomb. It's very easy to recommend for people that want to have something different with tequila. These 2 drinks actually have a few things in common, but I'm sure they'll taste very different from each other. Let's make them, shall we? First up, the Dovetail. This is the first time I'm trying this drink. One thing that I'll say is that it is slightly drier than I expected, but there's a fix. If you want to give this a bit of extra body to the drink, I think a teaspoon or a quarter ounce of either agave or simple syrup would add enough roundness. I'm not saying the cocktail is bad, I actually enjoyed it without adding extra sweetener. Just giving you options here. The only sweetener in the cocktail is the Maraschino Liqueur. We've actually covered this liqueur in other cocktail videos. Then add 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of your favorite tequila. I'm using Tequila Blanco. As long as you use a tequila that is 100% agave, that works. Add ice to your shaker, grab your chilled cocktail glass, and give this a good hard shake for about 15 seconds. Once done shaking, double strain your drink into your chilled cocktail glass and garnish this with a cherry. And there you have the Dovetail. Next up, the Siesta. Siesta translates to nap, usually taken in the afternoons. Maybe this is a great cocktail to take a nap afterwards. This cocktail has half an ounce or 15 mils of each of the following: freshly squeezed lime juice, simple syrup, freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, and Campari. As you can tell, the build of this drink is pretty similar to the Dovetail, except for the fact that there is less grapefruit juice, a different sweetener, and some Campari. Once you got all the ingredients in your shaker, add ice to your shaker, also grab your chilled cocktail glass, and give this a good hard shake for about 15 seconds. Once done shaking, double strain your cocktail into a chilled cocktail glass and garnish this with a grapefruit peel. Squeeze the grapefruit oils and drop it in the glass. And there we have 2 different tequila cocktails, the Siesta and the Dovetail. Let's see how they taste. 2 tequila cocktails with grapefruit juice. Let's taste them in order of appearance. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. This is a little bit drier than I expected it to be. The maraschino is adding a nice nuttiness that it's actually quite nice, very refreshing. You definitely get the tequila It's very much so like a Hemingway Daiquiri, but with tequila. And then the Siesta. I really like the hue on this one. It's like bright, nice, and red. What I like about this is just the slight hint of bitterness to it that's actually quite nice. They're both actually a little bit more similar than I thought they would be. I guess because the Peychauds add a little bit of bitterness to the Dovetail, but the Siesta's bitterness is a little bit more pronounced. There's a little bit more bitter orange thing going on, but these two drinks are great entertaining drinks. They're nice, fun, bright, refreshing. You should all try them on your Cinco de Mayo celebration. But that's gonna be it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Check out my other cocktails that I've been making for this 5 for 5 deal special. And I'll see you all the next one. Cheers.